Hi everyone, welcome to Ede Yoruba TV.
Faweli. Iro Faweli. We call it vowels, but it's different in Yoruba. The vowel in Yoruba divided into two. A máa pín sí ọ̀nà méjì. Ọ̀nà méjì ni ó pín sí. Okay, let me write it here. Ọ̀nà méjì ni a lè pín sí. The first one is we call it Faweli Àìránmúpè. The one that I circled the other time, we call it Faweli Àìránmúpè, which is Faweli Àìránmúpè. There are 7 letters. Méje ni wọ́n jẹ́. Méje. A, E, Ẹ, I, O, Ọ, U. Àwọn ni lẹ́tà ńlá, the capital letters in vowel in Yoruba. A, E, Ẹ, I, O, Ọ, U. And these are the small letters. Ala, A kékeré. Ela, E kékeré. Ẹla, Ẹ kékeré. Ila, I kékeré. Ọlá, O kékeré. Ọlá, Ọ kékeré. Ula, U kékeré. There are 7 numbers. Méje. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Ó ṣe méje. Ó yá jẹ́ ká. A, E, Ẹ, I, O, Ọ, U. The other time I told you that the one that we circle out of the alphabet, àwọn tí a yọ kúrò tí mo ká ilé mọ́ nínú alphabet Yorùbá, these are the ones. So we still have the one we call Faweli Àìránmúpè. So that is why I told you that we have different 2 types of vowel in Yoruba. It's also in English. So when you get your dictionary, the dictons, these are the dictons in Yoruba also. I will write it down now. So we call this one number 1, abi. So this one will now be 2. We call it Faweli Àìránmúpè. You will talk as if that you have the symptom of the kata. So that is that maybe the mucus is inside your nose or your throat. That is the way you are going to call it now. Then number 2, Faweli Àìránmúpè. Àìránmúpè. You call it as if that you have mucus in your throat. So I will write the capital letter first. Our letter yìí, all these letters they are 5 in numbers. They are 5 in numbers in Yoruba. I want to write it down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now listen to me. Um, this is the small letter. Ọlá, kékeré. This one and this one want to sound like the same thing, but it's different if you listen to it very well. There are 5 in numbers. Ó ṣe márùn. We call 5 márùn. Now listen to this one again. The one I call the vowel is Faweli Airanmu. Wait, I said it's 7 the other time. 7. A, E, I, O. Now this one, you know, the other time I told you that this one is like you have mucus in your throat. Now this one, you call it as if that there's nothing, that your throat is very clear sound. A, E, I, O, U. Can you see the difference now? This one is like mucus in your throat, and this one is clear voice. Oh yeah, A, E, I, O, U.